Hello everyone, welcome to Code with RJ. Today we will see how to install ollama models on our local system. So without a delay, let's get started. First of all, we will go to this website called ollama.com. Then we'll go to home page. Here you can see download option. Here you can select your operating system. I'm on Linux system, so I will run this command. If you are on Mac or Windows, you can download the extractor or setup files from here and then you can install it. But I'm on Linux system, so I need to run this command. So we'll go to the terminal and run this command. I have already installed the Ollama models on my system, so I will not run it again. So after installing this, running this command, you need to go to Ollama models. Here you can choose any model you want. I have installed Deepseek's two variants. Here you can see the variants 1.5 billion parameters and 8 billion parameters. I have already installed. And here for each variant, you need a memory, disk memory. Here they have mentioned it 4.7 GB for 7 billion parameter, and for 8 billion parameter, you might need 4.9 GB of disk space. So to install this, you all you have to do is select your variant. Let's say 14 billion parameter, and copy this command and then run it here. After running, it will install required data, like here you can see 9 GB. After installing, directly start interacting with this Ollama model by running the same command. Let's see, I want to run the 1.5 billion parameter Deepseek. So let's go in our terminal and run the command. It will start give you a prompt saying the message, let's say hi, and it will start to think. Here you can see it is generated a complete response. So in this way you can set up the Ollama model in your local system. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on this video, and in the next video I will be covering how to interact with the Ollama models using Python. So bye for now, thank you for watching.